The Earth is composed of three major layers: the crust, mantle, and core, which is divided into outer and inner core. The crust is the outermost and the thinnest layer of Earth. There are two kinds of crust: the thicker but less dense, continental crust, and the oceanic crust, which is thinner but denser than continental crust. Continental crust is the thick part of the Earth's crust, not located under the ocean, while oceanic crust is the thin part of the Earth's crust located under the oceans. The crust and a part of the upper mantle make up the lithosphere, which is broken into numerous segments called lithospheric plates that float on the weak layer of the mantle called a stenosphere. These plates move very slowly but constantly as a unit, and this movement is called tectonics. Plate tectonics is a theory which suggests that Earth's crust is made up of plates that interact in various ways, thus producing earthquakes, mountains, volcanoes, and other geologic features and events. These geological features and events mostly found along the boundaries of each lithospheric plates. There are three distinct types of plate boundaries because they exhibit different type of movement. The first type of plate boundary is divergent boundary. Divergent boundary is a boundary where the crustal plates are moving apart, creating a zone of tension. Most divergent boundaries are situated along underwater mountain ranges, called oceanic ridges, and new materials from the mantle ooze up to fill the gap that when cooled produce new ocean floor. The spreading rate of these ridges may vary from 2 to 20 cm per year. The Mid-Atlantic Ocean Ridge is an example of spreading center which causes the divergence of the South American plate and the African plate. The breaking of the crust into several segments leads to the formation of downfaulted valleys, called reef valleys, and is also associated with the rising of hot material from the mantle. The second type of plate boundary is called convergent boundary.
Convergent boundary is a boundary in which two plates move toward each other, causing one of the slabs of the lithosphere to subduct beneath an overriding plate. There are three types of convergence. Converging two continental plates is when the continental plates converge. A collision zone is formed and subduction ceases. This creates a large group of tall mountains called mountain ranges. Since subduction is impossible between two colliding continental plates, pressure is released by pushing the crust upward. The collision of India and Eurasia is an example of this. Two large land masses collided to begin the formation of the most visible product of plate tectonics, the Himalayas. The other type of convergence is converging continental plate and oceanic plate. This collision gives rise to the formation of a volcanic arc near the edge of a continental leading plate because the denser oceanic crust undergoes subduction process, or the bending of the crust towards the mantle. Since the mantle is hotter than the crust, the subducted crust melt forming magma, and the addition of volatile material like water will cause the magma to become less dense, allowing it to rise and reach the crust once again and causing volcanic activities on the continental leading plate. While an important geologic feature is formed in the ocean crust called trench, also called submarine valley, is a depression in the seafloor produced by subduction process and the deepest part of the ocean. An example of this is the Philippine Trench with a depth of 10,540 meters. Continuous grinding of plates against each other also causes the occurrence of earthquakes at varying depths. The last type of convergence is convergence of oceanic plates. Converging oceanic plates will cause formation of trenches, and these trenches will become sources of earthquakes. Underwater earthquakes can generate tsunamis. Tsunami, or the Japanese term harbor wave, is a series of ocean waves with very long wavelengths caused by large-scale disturbances of the ocean. The leading edge of the subducted plate reaches the mantle, causing it to melt and turn into magma that will rise to the surface, creating a volcanic island arc. Volcanic island arc is a chain of volcanoes positioned in an arc shape and developed parallel to a trench. The third type of plate boundary is called transform fault boundary.
Transform fault boundary is a boundary produced when two plates slide past each other without diverging or converging. It resembles the strike-slip fault in terms of the relative motion of adjacent slabs of rock, though much larger. Most transform faults are located within the ocean basins and join two segments of a mid-ocean ridge, which is an indication of diverging plates. The adjacent slabs of crust are grinding past each other. There are few that cut through the continental crust. An example of this is the San Andreas Fault, which is bounded by the North American Plate and the Pacific Plate.